In today's video, I'll teach you how to walk slowly on Roblox PC. So first of all, open the Roblox. You can see over here I've already opened it. Make sure you're in the game. So if you want to walk slowly, for that you'll have to access the settings. Simply press ESC in order to do so. Now you can see over here you'll be able to access the game settings. Simply click on this option settings. Now over here you'll be able to find various options. Right over here at third you'll be able to find this option for movement mode. What you have to do is simply click on the option that is selected right now. After you do that, you can see over here the option will be changed. Change the option until click to move is selected over here. Now after the click to move is selected in the movement mode, click on this option resume. Now you can see over here the game has been resumed. So if you want your avatar to walk slowly, what you have to do is right click on the ground close to your character. Now after you do that, your character will walk slowly to that particular clicked spot. The closer you click to the character, the slower they will move. So like this you'll be able to do it. Likewise, you can also use the external controller. For that, what you have to do is simply connect your PC to the Xbox or PlayStation or any other console controller. After you do that, what you have to do is use the stick in order to determine the character speed. The character speed is determined by how far you push the stick. So simply tilt the analog stick slightly to walk. So like this you'll be able to walk slowly. So that is how you walk slowly on Roblox PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.